Toys are the first tutors of a child. They promote a child's cognitive development, stimulate their concentration and memory skills to give them the ability to solve problems creatively, which is key to their future autonomy. While toys help enhance activity, they also give wings to our aspiration. And to take these wings to new heights, the grand finale of Toycathon 2021 was recently held to foster India's mind to conceptualize novel toys and games based on Bharatiya civilization, history, culture, mythology and ethos. The grand finale of Toycathon 2021 was organized from 22nd June to 24 June, and the winners of nation's first toy hackathon will be announced on 26th June with a winning amount of around 60 lakh.
साथियों, बीते 5-6 वर्षों में हैकाथॉन को देश की समस्याओं के समाधान का एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया गया है। इसके पीछे की सोच है देश के सामर्थ्य को संगठित करना, उसे एक माध्यम देना। कोशिश ये है कि देश की चुनौतियां और समाधान से हमारे नौजवान का सीधा कनेक्ट हो। जब ये कनेक्ट मजबूत होता है तो हमारी युवा शक्ति की प्रतिभा भी सामने आती है और देश को बेहतर समाधान भी मिलते हैं। देश के पहले टॉयकेथॉन का मकसद भी यही है।
The synergetic combination of these ministries. Toycathon 2021 was launched on 5th January this year to crowdsource innovative toys and gaming ideas. The initiative saw 1.2 lakh participants from across the country with a submission of more than 17,000 ideas, out of which 1,567 ideas were shortlisted for the 3 days online Toycathon finale. Apart from the importance of toys as the first friend of our children, the Prime Minister also emphasized the economic aspects of the toys and gaming, and he called it Toyconomy.
खिलौनों से जुड़ा एक और बहुत बड़ा पक्ष है जिसे हर एक को जानने की जरूरत है। यह है टॉयज और गेमिंग की दुनिया की अर्थव्यवस्था, टॉयकोनॉमी। आज हम जब बात कर रहे हैं तो ग्लोबल टॉय मार्केट करीब करीब $100 बिलियन का है। इसमें भारत की हिस्सेदारी सिर्फ $1.5 बिलियन के आसपास ही है, सिर्फ 1.5 बिलियन। आज हम अपनी आवश्यकता के भी लगभग 80% खिलौने विदेशों से आयात करते हैं, यानी इन पर देश का करोड़ों रुपये बाहर जा रहा है। इस स्थिति को बदलना बहुत जरूरी है और ये सिर्फ आंकड़ों की ही बात नहीं है, बल्कि ये सेक्टर देश के उस वर्ग तक, उस हिस्से तक विकास पहुंचाने में सामर्थ्य रखता है जहां इसकी अभी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है।
Presently, the Indian toy market stands at around $1.5 billion and the global toy market is estimated to over $100 billion. This would allow us to channelize our creative, innovative and manufacturing power to have a share in these areas. Beyond numbers, the toy sector has the capacity to bring progress and growth to the neediest sectors of our society. Toy industry has its own small-scale industry, artisans comprising rural population and tribal population, along with unparalleled contribution to women in the sector. Calling for vocal for local toys, PM Modi called for new models of innovation and financing to make Indian toys competitive at a global stage. This would further instill ideas to be incubated, promotion of new startups, and taking new technology to traditional toy makers and creating new market demand. Events like Toycathon provide opportunities to our young innovative minds to lead the path to manufacture toys in India for the world. The legacy of toys has an imprint of handicrafts and expressed hope. The ideas that we have come forth through Toycathon will also have a significant impact on the handicraft sectors and beyond. This is it in today's session. Thanks for watching.